Hey everyone, when we have a large data set like this one here and we scroll down in our data, unfortunately our header goes away. To fix this, we can use a useful Excel tool known as freezing panes. And there are a few ways we can freeze panes, but first we'll have to go into the View tab up at the top. And off to the right a little bit, you'll see we have this Freeze Panes button. If we click on that, we'll have a few options, and let's click on Freeze Top Row. So now you can see a little line under the first row where our header is, and if we scroll down, our header stays because we froze the top row. Now, if we go back and unfreeze panes, something else we can do is freeze the first column. So now if we scroll left and right, that first column will stay where it is. Now, if we want to freeze both rows and columns at the same time, what we can do, if we first unfreeze the column that we just froze, let's say, for example, I click into cell B2 and I click freeze panes rather than freeze top row or freeze first column. Now both will be frozen. As you can see, I can scroll left and right, and I can scroll up and down, and both the first row and first column is frozen because I was selected into cell B2 when I froze. So another example, if I unfreeze, let's say I freeze in cell C3, freeze panes, it will be immediately above the cell I'm clicked into and immediately to the left. That's where the line will appear. So usually if you're just freezing the top row and the leftmost column, you'll select the cell that is one down from the top and one over to the right. And then if we unfreeze, we could also do that in many different areas. So let's say our header, for whatever reason, is all the way down here. I can then, let's say I select row 5, freeze panes, hit freeze panes, and now the header, the top 4 rows of the header are frozen, and nothing is frozen as far as columns are concerned. And that's pretty much all you need to know for freezing panes. It's a very common and very useful tool that we use in Excel. And I hope you learned something from this. If you did, feel free to leave a like and subscribe if you have not yet already. Thanks for watching.